Union's Keys to Life Summer Camp, which promotes education, parental engagement, mentoring, and counseling here in Metro Detroit. Here to tell us more about this program is the program coordinator, Lydia Brown. Thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Not a problem. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so this sounds like an amazing opportunity for some of the youth in the area to get involved in something that not only will provide them with skills that they can take home and keep forever, but also a chance to mix and mingle with other kids with the same passions and dreams.
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's a wonderful program that a lot of youth have had the opportunity to take part in. This is our 5th year doing the camp. And the special thing about our camp, even though it's performing arts, we offer life skills and prevention messaging. So the kids are learning about how to avoid negative cultural outcomes. They're learning about self-esteem, peer pressure, decision-making, goal setting, and things like that.
Okay, so we'll take it a step back because they get the life skills and all of these important real life lessons on top of what they're already signing up for, which is more on the performing arts side. Talk about the camp at its basic level.
Absolutely. So we do the life skills, but we teach those things through key principles in songwriting, music production / beat making, dance, acting, and then this year we're also doing DJing. That's one of our newer disciplines that we're adding on.
See, you said beat making, and I'm sure all the little kids' ears perked up right there.
For sure.
I mean, but it's awesome to be able to reach kids on the level where they are. Right now, performing arts, so many people want to get into acting. Kids want to be seen. They want to be heard. You guys are preparing them to do that. Why did you choose this avenue to teach the kids these life skills?
Just because this gives them an opportunity to be creative, and when you put youth in a creative environment, then they're more open to some of those other things that will help them down the line in their lives. And we noticed that with a lot of kids, even those that don't necessarily know that they have an inclination towards the arts, it just opens them up. It opens them up mentally, spiritually, and creatively as well.
Very true. So how long is the camp?
So the camp is 4 weeks. It starts July 10th and it ends on August 4th. It runs Monday through Friday, 9 to 3 every day. And we do have an ending production on Saturday, August 5th at the Hillberry Theater.
Okay, so they have 4 weeks to learn lines and make beats and do all this for a big production at the end.
Yes.
Also, I love that it's right in the heart of downtown. I mean, there's so much buzzing and happening in that area anyway.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, it's in the cultural district, right Midtown. It takes place in the International Institute, right on Kirby, right next to the DIA. And so it's a perfect location for our youth to come down and be in that cultural district.
So we got you here in the perfect weekend because I know you're not only running out of time before the camp begins, but out of space also. Do you have any slots left?
Yes, we're limited on slots. So basically the camp, because of the high intensity of the technique that is taught, it normally costs $600, but we're able to offer 75 scholarships on a first come first served basis.
Awesome.
So parents are only paying $100, and they just need to go on our website to apply for the scholarship as well as register for the camp. And the website is www.theyunion.org, THEYUNION.org.
Perfect. And we'll put all of that information on our website as well, fox2detroit.com. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
We'll take a quick break. We'll be right back.